Hello, my friends. So, you know how we all agree that 2024 we're going to work smarter and not harder. Guess what? The kitchen is not left out. So, even in your cooking and in all our cuisine for 2024, we are going to go smarter this year. Okay? So, join me. Let me show you how I made this Moimoi without too much hassles. Like I didn't have to sweat and spend so many hours in the kitchen just to make Moimoi. Remember, time is money. So 2024 is all about smartness. Okay, so all I did was to get my beans and get all the back, all the skin out. If you want a video on how I smartly get my bean skin out, leave me a comment in the comment section and I will give you a separate video on that. Anyway, so what I just after blending my beans, I just added my my pepper mixture, which is onions and peppers and other things, other ingredients. Then my crayfish, I added lots of crayfish. Okay, so this is just what moi moi needs. But if you want to go extra, come on, be you and do you. And I added melted butter. Okay, so you can go ahead and just add vegetable oil, but I like melted butter because it comes with its own flavor. Remember, it's all about being cooking healthy and also making it to be flavorful. Okay, enjoy your meal even while you're staying healthy. Okay, so I added more melted butter again for the same reason I told you, because I love the flavor that butter brings into meals. Again, we have to be smart here. Choose healthy butters. Choose healthy butters. So I was just mixing in order to get the consistency that I want. And as soon as I got that consistency, just look at it like this. It's hard to explain. Not watery, not very thick, in between kind of consistency, okay? Because we want it to be, not too dry. We don't want the moi moi to be dry, but we want it to be moist while even it is hard. Okay, so I just lined my baking pan. Okay, my baking pan, I lined it up with a baking sheet so that it will be very easy to come off when it is cooked. So here, if you want to add anything extra, like I said, egg, fish, whatever, but you know what, this is just basic. We don't need all that extra. I added lots of crayfish, and for me that was enough. So the remaining, guess what, guys, what I did? I decided to fry the one that was remaining. I decided to use the fry akara. This akara, it did not survive. Okay, as I was frying, the members of the house were eating as I fry. They eat as I fry. They eat. So anyway, it was very yummy. Okay, because it was the same mixture, right? It was really yummy. Anyway, the akara is just by the side because everything did not, all the batter did not go into the baking pan. So I decided to just fry some for them, and they were just like, doing the good old days kind of burger stuff, putting their bread and chewing and snacking. Anyway, back to our moi moi. So when I checked my weight, it was cooked. Tana, that's it. Easy peasy. There is no rocket science in making moi moi. You don't have to spend half of the day just baking moi moi, doing all the serere merere. No, we're all about being smart this year. Okay, we no one grief for anybody. No lazing around, no wasting of time, because this year we're gonna do other things with our time. We only got 24 hours. Hello, so why do we have to spend 1/3 of those hours just in the kitchen? Okay, even though we don't want to compromise the quality of our food, and that's why we're talking about and campaigning the initiative of working smarter. And of course, our kitchen is part of it. Okay, so you see what I did, and tana, I just turned it, and my moi moi is ready, guys, ready. And this is going to be a very, very good side dish to your jollof rice, white rice, or even like this with any of your favorite cereal. And that's it. If you have watched up until this time, that means you enjoy our recipe and we like the fact that you keep coming back to engage in our videos. Just in case you have not subscribed, click that red button that shows subscribe, click the bell sign, and choose the option that shows all. That way, anytime I upload a video, you will get a notification. Okay, so back to our baked moi moi. You see how it is, very moist and very, very yummy and delicious. You see it, and that is it. So we all enjoyed this moi moi with our jollof rice by the side, and that is it. So keep being smart, keep eating healthy, because your health is your wealth. I will see you in another video. Okay, and do let me know in the comment section if you want me to show you a smart way of removing the skin of your beans just in 5 minutes. I tell you, yeah, 5 minutes. You don't have to spend 4 hours just cooking. No way. We got other things to do with our time. Okay, so enjoy. I will see you in another video. Okay, bye bye.